Black screens in your Hyundai Creta 2020 infotainment system often result from software glitches. First, try a system reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This resolves the issue in 90% of cases. If the reset doesn't work, check for available OTA updates via the My Hyundai app. No sound issues can stem from a blown fuse in the multimedia module. Check your owner's manual for the fuse box location and replace any blown fuses. If problems persist, schedule a diagnostic appointment at a Hyundai service center, as it could indicate an audio module failure. According to Consumer Reports, 65% of owners resolve black screens with resets, while 22% require dealership visits. Having trouble with over-the-air updates on your Creta 2020? OTA failures often occur due to weak cellular signals. If you're in an area with poor coverage, try updating via USB. Download the latest software from the My Hyundai website onto a USB drive and follow the on-screen instructions in your car. Hyundai's service data shows that 25% of OTA failures are connectivity related. Looking ahead, automotive infotainment is trending toward increased software reliance and AI-driven diagnostics. Manufacturers are moving to cloud-based updates, improving reliability, and reducing the need for physical visits. Be aware of potential cybersecurity risks associated with OTA updates. Hyundai is investing in blockchain-secured updates for future models. Remember to always verify the latest updates via the official Hyundai website.